Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about switching between multiple open presentations at once if you have one screen perhaps on Windows or any application or any operating system that has PowerPoint running. So if you want to switch between two different active PowerPoint presentations, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab. Right above Window, it should say Switch Windows. Click the drop-down, and you can select whichever presentation you now want to open up front and center. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.